Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. I am in the middle of filming another video. It's a review on the By Terry Concealer and Face Palette, the CC Serum Palette, something like that. So stay tuned for that. But today we are using this palette, the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, the mini one. There is a bigger version, like I said, in one of my previous video, but I bought the mini because I'm not sure what I think of the shadow of the NYX. The palette that I bought from NYX, the eyeshadow palette, I gave them away because I wasn't happy with the pigmentation and the formula of the shadows, so I wasn't into it. But I saw this palette, the bigger one, I saw some review, one done by my friend Solène. Her channel is Colorful Palette. I will have this her video down below linked if you want to see it. She is French, but you know, there is some French watching my video, I don't know. You can check her out. And she was saying that she liked the palette, so I was like, okay. I saw that there is this mini palette and I was okay, I will try it. Okay. I have less difficulty buying this palette because it's a mini one, so it is less expensive, obviously, and I can see if I still think that NYX eyeshadow formula is not for me. So let's try that. I will put some Pillowy's base on my eyelid as usual. Don't judge me, I didn't clean my brushes. Okay. Let's begin by setting the base. I will use this color to do it. So I will begin with this color, the dark plum, and I will place it right here. The formula is dry. It's a dry formula. When I'm touching the shadow, it's very like rough. It's not creamy. Yeah, just so you know, it's. But on the lid for the moment, I like the color. We can really see it, and I'm gonna blend a little bit the edges. I didn't add any more color. I'm just blending like this. Then I will use this color, and with a brush that I put on my little dry sponge. There is some pigment on the other side, but normally it will not show. I will begin to put that on the middle above the crease, and then I will use it to blend just a little bit. Then I will use this color to blend on the edges. As usual, I would have loved a mirror, but you know. I will use some purple in the inner corner. And then I will use this beautiful color right here on the lid. I will put the base booster glitter and shadow glue from BH Cosmetic, I think. Yeah, BH. So just a little bit. Oof. Oh god. Oh my god, this color is everything. It's actually the reason why I bought this palette. It's because of this color. Such a beautiful color. Wow, I'm loving it. Okay, I feel better now. And then we'll do some blending. Okay, some green just fall. Okay, be aware. If some of that color is falling, it will stay on the skin. So do your eyes first. I don't have to go anywhere, so I will not care for that. To highlight, I'm gonna use this cream satin color right here, and I will put it right here and under the brow as well. And then I will use this light green, and I will put also some glitter glue. Okay, let's do the other eye now. I put on my waterline, it's from Sephora, it's the pencil, contour eye pencil, and I have the color Eccentric Diva. It's a purple shimmer, and only on the outer V under the eye I put the plum color, only in this part, because I'm supposed to be reviewing this concealer, so if I have a ton of shadow on top of the concealer, I will don't know how it lasted. And on the lips, if you want to know, I put the BH Cosmetic nude lip pencil, and on top of it the Alamar Cosmetic Coqueta lip gloss. On my lashes, I used the Sky High from Maybelline, you know, the viral mascara that was going on TikTok, and it was my first time actually trying it, because I didn't want to put any false lashes, because I have to take care of my kids, so I have no more time. And I like the result. If you want, I will do another video with a less makeup on my eyes, so we can really see the results. I think that's it. I said everything. What I think about this palette, I think it's better if you do your eyes first, because it's a dry formula, and when you have some glitter on your cheek, it's kind of hard to take them out even with the brush. But I am quite happy actually with the pigmentation of the shadow. I wasn't expecting that, because the palette that I had before, it wasn't very I wasn't blown away, you know. But here I like the pigmentation. I'm not fond of when I'm touching the shadows, because it's very dry, very rough. It's not very buttery, but you know, on the eye it's pretty. I freaking love this glitter color. This one, I think it's so pretty. And even this one, the light green, I really enjoy as well. When you put the glitter glue underneath, it really helps, I think, to stick, you know, really the glitter and to make it more pop. But it's a cute palette. You can use it for every day. You have you know, your browns, your cream, and you have those touch of colors that I really like. Those type of green, it's really my jam. And you have your more cool tone color right here, so it's interesting because I do have a lot of warm colors because that's what I like the most, but it's interesting, you know, I don't have those kind of color, I think, in my collection, so I'm happy with the results. So tell me what you think. I think this, yeah, it's pretty. I like the, you know, big cat eye moments. That's really my thing. If you like that, don't forget to subscribe because there is a lot more of it on my channel. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please put a like on the video if you did like it, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.